Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your vehicle on Uber. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, open up any web browser and go to Google, and now inside the Google search box type in add vehicle, update or add vehicle, Uber. Click search and then click on the one update or add vehicle in the Google search from help.uber.com. You'll come to this side here. So if you're having issues updating your vehicle's information or removing a vehicle, please check the following links for possible resolutions. So updating or adding a new vehicle. So to update your vehicle, you want to click where it says here. And now if the vehicle listed on your account is not correct, please let us know via the chat below. So make sure to log in, and then they can help you with add a new vehicle, update the make or model of an existing vehicle, and remove a vehicle from your account.